Alright, so what they have over here, they're having some fun. This is the Otamatone. Now this is the feature, I would say, the synthesizer, right? They allow me to play different tones and change the pitch of this. It's a lot of fun. And also you can just go ahead and change this. So you can really play some cool, you can play some cool tunes here. Or allow me to go low. That, or we can go to super high pitch. Now, guys, this is the hardest thing in Japan, okay? I'm Dario from mediaboxentlab, and let's go and let's play some cool tunes. So the Otamatone, it's a lot of fun, and I'll show you in a second some details in this thing. All right, so when you open and close the mouth, what it's going to do is going to change the pitch, okay? And we get that effect there with the smoke in the background. Yes. And then right here, I'm going to change the camera so you guys can really see this up. And allow me to control the value and light and put out, so you can set up this in a PA. So when you do a street performance, that will be great, right? You change the pitch. I like metal pitch, and you can even power it up with the 5-volt starter power. And use 3 and AA battery, and it's cool. It's a lot of fun, you know. It's a lot of fun. It can sound like an opera. You just go for like. And you got to put some action, you know. You have to go for it. You just have to have some fun. I love this instrument. This is the Otamatone. This is the big baby. I think it comes also in another colors, but this is great. All right, so I love it. I want to continue to have some fun. How I can get one of these things? This is the latest thing from Japan. And it's pretty simple. You know how you're going to do that? Hey, grab the link right below this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.